Are you looking for the best tree climbing harness in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tree climbing harness that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the 11 Guns Tree Climbing Harness. TCI recommends harnesses with large back pads for professional arborists and workers who climb trees and specialize in removal. A wider option with padding like this version from 11 Guns can be more comfortable and provide extra support to the wearer. This option isn't as expensive as others out there with reinforced backing, but it's a great start. The leg loops are wider as well-meaning climbers can handle longer periods of time that aren't possible with tight, restrictive leg straps. The adjustable buckles, waist, and leg loops allow for customization of the wearer's body and clothing. Fits well and moderately easy to cinch down, described a customer. Good heavy material with handy accessory loops. Excellent holding safety and comfort. Used this for tree trimming and spent hours in the seat without excessive discomfort. Up next in the 4th place is the Muddy Magnum Pro Harness Black. There are more expensive hunter harnesses on the market, but the Muddy harness is still a quality choice, earning close to 1,005-star ratings on Amazon. It's one of the most versatile harnesses too, and many hunters pick it for its price and simplicity. The harness can hold up to 300 pounds and comes with a lineman's belt, tree strap, and suspension relief strap. It's a great choice for using up in tree stands and is lightweight in comparison to others. The harness setup that came with my tree stand was way too cumbersome, so I wanted something simple and easy to slip on, explained a customer. I'm so glad I chose this one. The quality, ease of use, and the unbeatable price makes this a steal. The 3rd product on our list is the KwikSafety MANDRILL Climbing Harness. Though it's not the most expensive item, KwikSafety's MANDRILL harness is great for beginners and a lightweight choice for workers with less hefty workloads. Because of the thinner leg straps, it's a better fit for shorter periods of work or residential trimming that doesn't require constant hours of work suspended from a tree. That being said, it still has a padded back, durable gear loops, and strong adjustable straps and buckles, making it comfortable. Great service and great item worth the money. Strong material, wrote a customer. Awesome budget harness, added another. I am 250 pounds, and it has held up no problems. An additional buyer also noted it was everything needed for tree trimming. 2nd on our list is the YXGOOD Treestand harness. Thick pads made of breathable foam are a large part of why this YXGOOD harness gets so many compliments about its fit. It has metal D-rings and 5 tool rings for carrying up equipment and keeping it safely attached while in a tree. The rope bridge is made of webbing, and because of the sturdy gated rings, it's slightly more difficult to adjust than other harnesses. But it's a small issue in comparison to the hours of comfortable work climbers can complete while in it. Worked great, wrote one customer. Made climbing any size tree very safe. Fit very well also. I felt very secure while climbing and trimming trees of any size. Another reviewer added that their employees found it almost too comfortable, if that's possible. It is nice to be able to sit in the trees and relax though. Finally, the top product on our list is the GLORAUSHU Full Body Safety Harness, compliant with both OSHA and ANSI. This bright orange harness system is great for smaller jobs, or for doing work around the house that requires it. The pieces of equipment included are the harness and a shock absorption system. The straps are thinner, but they provide a safe way to climb into branches and trim without getting hurt thanks to double back buckles on the waist belt and other areas, D-rings, and the ability to handle a tensile strength of 5,000 pounds. Bought this for my husband to use for trimming trees in our yard, explained the reviewer. He was able to take down major branches way more safely than before, and gives me a lot less to worry about when he's going up to the top of a 24-foot ladder and jumping around in the trees. He says the harness is as comfortable as it can be considering where the straps must caress his body. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.